celebration of our first video, we are giving away $100 to our new viewers. To win, all you have to do is like the video, subscribe to our channel, and comment down below the word love.
Welcome back to Kroeung Kitchen.
My name is Brandy.
My name is Shelly, and we're here to make one of my favorite dish, Nom Pajok.
One of my favorite dish, Nom Pajok, but I don't know how to make it. So what's in Nom Pajok, Shelly?
So we have Kroeung that we already blended already.
If you guys want to go ahead and want to know how to make Kroeung, there will be a link down below, whatever, and you could check out that video, and then you can come back after you know how to do that. Okay?
Yes. Okay, here are my stock that I already, boiled my chicken before ahead of time. And don't throw away the stock. The stock, after you boil your chicken, you want to keep it to make your soup for your noodles. So here. First things that goes is we have our pahok, fermented fish paste. Or you always could use fish sauce, substituted fish sauce. I cannot live without pahok, so I'm gonna use pahok. So
Okay, so you're gonna use pahok.
Yeah, it would be about 3 tablespoons.
3 tablespoons.
Yeah, and
So
I'm gonna strain it with the strainer because just in case I have bones that they didn't take out, so you don't want to eat bone. So fish bone. You have fish bone right here, so you don't want that to go in your soup. Throw in some ground chicken as optional. You don't have to put ground chicken. The reason why I put ground chicken because I don't like my soup to be too watery. I like a thick soup. Okay, so here we have our chicken. I'm shredding the chicken into pieces so we could mix it in with our kroeung. We're gonna pound it with our kroeung. Right.
So Shelly, when did you get into cooking?
Probably when I was 18 years old, when I was living on my own back in Minnesota. I didn't have my parents with me. So, I decided if I don't start cooking, no one's gonna cook for me. So I have this motor pestle over here. We're gonna be using to pound the chicken together with the kroeung. We're gonna mix it in with the kroeung. Okay. So I'm pounding it all together. Make sure it's all mixed up well. And then we will throw it in our pot once it's ready. Just finish pounding.
It smells good.
You can very smell the kroeung. It smells really good.
It smells really good.
I wish you guys could smell through the video, but sorry.
I'm like, my mouth is watering. Oh my gosh.
So we're gonna add in our coconut milk. This is about 1 big can of 19 ounce of coconut milk. Depending on your pot, again, you could add more. It's up to you. Stir it for a little bit. And then wait for it to boil, then you add your a boil.
So how long do you keep it boiling?
For about 5 to 10 minutes, it depends. Well, this only took me about 5 minutes. So here I have my chicken soup, about 1.5 tablespoons. And then I have my sugar, about 3 tablespoons of sugar. And MSG is optional, you guys don't have to put it. This is about half a tablespoon, right? About half. or 1 tablespoon. And then I have my salt, which I'm only gonna use a little bit to see how the flavor is. Just to bring up the flavor. You don't want to add too much. If you over add your ingredients, your salt is gonna be too salty, and you might not could fix that. Stir. We're gonna use to garnish our nom pajok, our noodle dish. After you put your noodle in your bowl and all that, I'm gonna show you what you're gonna be doing and all that good stuff. Okay. Here I have put 2 of my noodles. And then I'm gonna add my garnishment, which is banana blossom, some cabbage, some papaya, and string beans, and my cucumber. And there goes my Thai chili pepper. And dry chili pepper. Optional, it's up to you how you like your spice, and I like a lot. And there you go. So here I'm at my soup.
Alright, so there you have it. This is the nom pajok that Shelly made.
This is our nom pajok.
Yes. So let me taste.
Just get in there and let me know how it tastes.
Okay. And again, all of the recipe ingredients is going to be listed down below. And if you guys want to learn how to make the kroeung, which is the main ingredient, which is the lemongrass paste, it's going to be is in our other video. So don't forget to go and check that out.
Oh my god, it's delicious.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to show the support.
And we will come back with more ingredients.
More recipe next time.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Cheers.
Oh gosh.
Chưa biết.
Well, this is trash. Oh. I thought it was one of those one that's.
How do we do this one?
Oh my gosh. Ugh.